Storytelling, terrific insights. I've done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funny, or without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. Why people love ice cream. Reasons. Today we're talking about the coldest superstars ice cream. From sunny afternoons to movie nights, people everywhere love this frozen dessert. 1. Ice cream makes holiday survivable. One scoop can turn a summer drama into happiness. Example, walking outside, melting like butter, then suddenly finding an ice cream shop. 2. Too many flavors equals endless adventure. Chocolate, vanilla, mango, cookies and cream feels impossible. Example, standing in line for 10 minutes is still undecided. 3. It makes celebration sweeter. Birthdays and parties become extra exciting with ice cream. Example, cake and ice cream teaming up like superheroes. 4. The first bite feels magical, especially when the weather is hot. Example, that happy face people make after the first spoonful. 5. Kids and adults both love it. Ice cream ignores age differences completely. Example, adults pretending to buy ice cream for their children. 6. Ice cream trucks create instant excitement. One song from the truck and suddenly everybody becomes a sports runner. Example, searching packets for coins at record speed. 7. It's perfect for movie nights. Popcorn has competition. Example, accidentally finishing the entire tube before the opening credit end. 8. Brain freezes, funny and tragic. Everybody says it's I'll eat slowly. This time, nobody does. Example, freezing your brain while still refusing to stop eating. 9. Calm, make it portable. Desserts you can carry. Brilliant invention. Example, trying to eat fast before the scoop escapes gravity. 10. It comes in fun shapes. Scoops, sundaes, popsicles, sandwiches, frozen creativity everywhere. Example, taking photos before eating because it looks too good. 11. Toppings make it even better. Sprinkles, syrup, nut, fruits, customization level, unlimited. Example, sundae looking more decorated than the birthday cake. 12. Sharing ice cream feels friendly. Desserts bring people together. Example, comrades trading flavors like professional snacks critics. 13. It can be a fancy, your smile, a luxury dessert, or a quick snack. Ice cream does both. Example, eating a premium gelato while still dripping on your shirt. 14. Melting creates emergency mode. Ice cream teaches speed and responsibility. Example, everyone suddenly eating twice as fast under the sun. 15. It simply tastes amazing. Sometimes the answer is simple. Cold plus sweet equals happiness. Example, saying just one scoop and somehow ordering three. Ice cream may melt quickly but the happiness lasts longer. Thanks for watching. Stay cool, stay kind. Tell us your favorite flavor into the comment below.